For centuries, I have stood tall, my roots anchored in the soil, my branches stretching towards the sky. I am a keystone species, an architect of the ecosystem. My canopy intercepts sunlight, forming a microclimate beneath me. My leaves absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen in a process known as photosynthesis. I am more than a tree. I am part of a vast, interconnected web of life. Beneath the surface, my roots form a mutualistic relationship with fungi, creating an underground network that facilitates nutrient exchange. This symbiotic relationship enhances my ability to assess phosphorus and nitrogen, while in return, I provide the fungi with my glucose. My presence stabilizes the soil, prevents erosion, and regulates the water cycle by slowing runoff and increasing infiltration. In this way, the ecosystem thrives in a delicate equilibrium. But equilibrium is temporary. As seasons change, so do the forces that shape the land. The air becomes dry, the forest floor thick with leaf litter and wood debris. A lightning strike ignites a flame. Carried by the wind, the fire spreads through the understory, consuming organic matter in its path. The blaze moves in a process known as fire propagation. Combustion converts biomass into heat energy, releasing stored carbon back into the atmosphere. The flames release nitrogen and other essential minerals trapped in organic matter, fertilizing the soil. While some species perish, others are adapted to fire. To the untrained eye, fire seems to bring only destruction, but in reality, it is a natural disturbance regime, an agent of renewal. The ecosystem has evolved alongside fire, and for many species, its presence is essential. The water infiltrates the soil, replenishing groundwater reservoirs depleted by evaporation. Infiltration rates vary based on soil porosity and texture. As the rain percolates downward, it recharges aquifers, sustaining the hydrological cycle. But not all the rain is absorbed. Surface runoff carries sediments and nutrients downstream, reshaping the topography and replenishing riparian zones. The storm brings relief, but also brings erosion, shifting the very structure of the land. Yet, even in change, there is renewal. Life does not end, it transforms. The ecosystem, once reduced to ash, now pulses with renewed energy. As I witness the cycles of fire and rain, destruction and renewal, I realize that to truly understand the land, we must learn to see it through more than one lens. Two-eyed seeing teaches us to view the world through both the strengths of indigenous ways and knowledge of Western science understanding. One eye sees with the heart and spirit, grounded in relationship, respect, and reciprocity. The other eye sees with data, hypothesis, and ecological models. In fire, indigenous peoples have long seen not just a threat, but a teacher and a tool, used with ceremony and care to heal the land. Western ecology confirms this, that fire can rejuvenate ecosystems, stimulate seed dispersal, and maintain biodiversity. Together, these perspectives don't compete, they complete one another.